गुड इवनिंग। आज कौन सा दिन है? आज 12th, टुडे इज 12th of November and it's 7:40 in the evening. So from few days I was craving, not few days, from yesterday to be very exact, I was craving to have a few favorite food of mine. So I have to go to that place specifically to eat those things. So yeah, today's plan is to go eat and enjoy, that's all. So it's not like one thing I'm craving to eat, I'm craving 2-3 things. So one of it is chaats, two of it is chaats. It is masala puri and dahi puri. I have a normal regular spot. I have multiple regular spots for those, but not everything is the same. Not everything tastes the same also. But this is top on the list where I'm going right now. So yeah, I'll show you the place once. After that, I was craving pizza from a very long time. And pizza, I don't mean Domino's pizza or Pizza Hut pizzas. No, I was, अरे भाई, लो पिज़्ज़ा ब्रो, इंडिकेटर लाइए. हाँ, so it is thin crust pizza. Normally you get it in Pizza Hut also, but nah, I don't prefer that. So both the places are quite far from my place. I have to make a clear time for it. I have to schedule it and go if I'm going there. So that's not an easy thing to do. Today is my week off. I thought of going there. Finished 2 rounds of sleeping, man. 2 rounds of sleep. Normal sleep from last night till 11 a.m. in the morning. And I slept around again 3. I woke up at 5. But yet feeling sleepy. Okay, see you. One more good thing, if I am living outside the house in the evening, I don't get to wear the jacket, man. Every time I have to wear jackets for tan or some safety or something like that. But yeah, today it's evening, it's pleasant. I thought of not wearing a jacket, which I rarely do. This fanny pack, I have a lot of tech in this, and few chocolates. So I almost reached there. I am right now in Husahalli, Vijayanagara, next to Vijayanagara. Metro station, Husahalli, Sri Bala Gangadhar Natha Swamiji station, Husahalli. That is the name of the place. Opposite to the metro station only, there is a chaat and juice center. That is Balaji Juice and Chaats. That is where I'm going. It's really good. One of my college friends, when I was in college, that was what, 7 years ago, I think so. My friend introduced this place to me. From there, I'm coming here and one of the best masala puris and samosa masala puris. Mostly things are really good. My mouth is watering already. That is the masala puri which I ordered. Then samosa masala, normal masala. They are looking for me. I ordered few more things. Later come to the table. Let's see. actually really good. The other item I'll show you too. That is the Daipuri I was talking about. This is Samosa Masala. That is Masmal. Not too spicy, not too dull. Perfectly balanced masala. That's how whenever I come here, it's jam packed. I can hardly find space to sit. I have to wait for what? 2 minutes for this. For a chair. But the wait is worth it. So now done with charts craving. Man, I'm 50% satisfied now. Pizza over it would make it 100%. Now the pizza place is in JP Nagar. Right now I am in Vijayanagar. I have to go to the JP Nagar area right now to try out the pizza. So that also comes at the time of when I was in college. See, all these are budget friendly for me. That doesn't burn my pocket. So I can go and I have it once or twice in a month. So yeah, I generally go once in a month or sometimes once in 2 months when I'm not free, when I have too much work. Once in 2 months I'll go. But generally I tend to go there once in a month to the pizza place. But over here, every 15 days once I have for the charts place. You might be wondering, I had 2 plates of charts, 1 glass of muskmelon juice. I'm still going to have pizza. What I can eat or not? And if I want to eat, I can eat meal or eat food, which generally 3 people can eat. So yeah, my appetite is really huge, but I do it very rarely. Normally, I tend to not eat too much, but today is the day I want to have it. It's been too long. I've stopped having non-veg. It's been more than like 10 days, 15 days, I think so. 15 days, yeah. To compensate that, I have to have something. There is no protein intake apart from paneer for me. How much paneer I can have? I don't know how veg people, full-char people can survive, man. Apart from the chats and paneer and gobi and stuff, that's all. But non-veg has variety of options, man. And it is really filling and pocket friendly also than veg. And also I saw the news where about the blast in Delhi. I saw the news. It saddens me more than anything as of now. What happened there is really bad. Finally, I've reached JP Nagar metro station. I just passed it right now. Now I have to take a U-turn over here. I hope you know the road where a lot of pubs and cafes are there, like Tipsy Bull and Levels, I think so. but it's right next to the Tipsy Bull Cafe. Pub, sorry, cafe. I'm going to. Is it open though? It is open. There are people. I have to take an U-turn over there. It's right over there. That is the place name is Skyline Pizzeria. One of the best budget-friendly pizzeria you can go, which is from a very long time. Menu is simple, not too much of options are there, but not too much. They're not loaded with the options. Man, I can't wait to have non-veg. Start having non-veg. There are a lot of new restaurants in Bangalore. Or else the restaurants which I have not tried. I have a list right now. December is going to be very heavy. Pocket toys, yeah, there will be a lot of burn in the pocket, I think so. Let's see. And next weekend, I might be going to Maharashtra with family. I'll ask my mom if I can vlog that, because it's a function in there. I'm going to, it's an engagement. So we have to ask them if they're comfortable or not. I'll ask my mom. Let's see. Now I am here. I have to park the vehicle. Ooh, thank God the restaurant is little empty. I think so. It's because it's weekday today. Whenever I come over here, I only see students or couples or friends. I mean, this place is meant for that only, for the young crowd. I can't bring my parents over here. They will not like the food. They are normal, no. They are like proper nutty style. So am I, but yeah, once in a while this is also Italian, bro. So I'll just take a seat over there and see. I'll show you the food. Now we've reached the place. You might see that over there. Skyline Pizzeria. And it was a chaotic traffic. Chaotic, very, very chaotic. But again, Anil Jain's song saved me. It is 9 PM night. I ordered food. So why I come over here is to have the thin crust pizza firstly. After that there is another starter which is called as chili garlic sauce. I hope I am visible properly. There is chili garlic. It's really insanely good with the dips, mayonnaise. So I forgot to hit the record button. I was talking like a mad person for like past 10 minutes. So what I was saying is me repeating for the third time. I have reached JP Nagar. The place name is Skyline Pizzeria. I ordered food. It's already here also. Firstly I was sitting upstairs. But there were a lot of background noise of traffic. Now also I guess it's there, but not that much. So I ordered paneer tikka pizza and chili garlic pops, which I finished already. I ordered one more of it. That pops are really small and like 10 pieces I think so. I can easily finish it. Me and my best friend used to compete who can have more of it. Few years ago. Yeah. The crowd is pretty less today. I'm giving it because it's a weekday. But normally on weekends the crowd will be insane. This is the pizza. It's really good. Perfectly cooked. not too crispy, not too cold. Just perfect. This is very shape. Biryani is also good, not too sweet. I've already finished some of the pizza over here. This is finished. There were pops over here. Those are also finished. This is the dip with garlic. This is a garlic mayonnaise dip. This is really good. Very smooth. I hope this is homemade or they only prepare it. I think so. But it is good. Food over here is really good. It's comfort. I've had Inca's pizza, which is very hard to chew also. I'm not finding the difficulty over here with this pizza. Again, I'm compensating with paneer instead of chicken for protein. At least that's giving 2% of the sensation of chewing a chicken. Thank you, sir. These are the pops. I'll show it. These are the chili garlic pops which I was talking about. It's very hot, just out of the oil. This liquid or this mayonnaise, very big dip. You have it. Oh. Hot. It's like it's a mix of a hot pop and cold dip. That gives a very different sensation. It is good by the way. All this year I have a place for chaat, that is which is Indian. I have an Italian place also for pizza. Very good places. Now I've never got that sense of satisfaction with burgers. Never. I mean, I had a burger recently in Hard Rock Cafe. That was okay. That was good. But very dry. Very dry. But one of the good burgers I've had. But never a burger place which I am very fond of or very liking of as this much. Pizza का एक जगह हो, चाट्स दोन जगह हो, चाट्स बेकन रही, पिज़्ज़ा बेकन रही, बर्गर का तो रही, बिरयानी को इधर स्पॉट, बोलना है रड़ा. So now let's see, let's hunt for burger next month, not this month. This is good, man. After a very long time, I'm having a good pizza. If you have any suggestions, I'll finish this one. If you guys have any suggestions for me to try veg food for the next week, let me know. Done with having a lot of food. Appa, hotel tumba hoytu appa. Oh, appa, very full today. Yeah. As expected, very less traffic. Along, I've reached almost Noindahalli. I was telling there was no traffic, but now I don't know why I'm seeing too many vehicles slowing down that too. On a outer ring road. No traffic, no traffic. I smell a it's a very bad smell. One of the lorries, I think so. Now we reached Nagar Bobby. And I love this outer ring road. This road has saved a lot of traffic in a lot of places. This saves a lot of time. Now we'll go home. Mummy will scold. Why so late? Why you had dinner outside? We had prepared dinner in home only, na? Mummy will scold. I'll get the scoldings. Play with my niece. Sleep off. Tomorrow morning, office, bro. I have to go to office. I will be taking metro, bro, tomorrow. No bikes. I'm getting old. I cannot. So next week, probably next weekend, I will be going to Solapur as I told, via bus. 3 days I'm not there in Bangalore. Finally, after so long, I'm going out of Bangalore, bro. Last event was Kodaikanal only. I mean, I'm having fun riding this bike today. While coming back, not while going. While going to, I was feeling half asleep only. Now I'm in my senses. It was good food, bruh. Good food. But sometimes I think there's a song in Kannada. I don't know if you know it or not, but your parents might know it. The chances are really high your parents might know it. The song starts from Tuttu Anna Tinnoke, Bogose Neer Kudiyoke. Sometimes I remember that and I'm like, oh shit, bro. Am I not spending too much on my food? Yeah, that happens with me. I also think one life, man, one life. And this is the age where you have to do all sorts of stuff. You have to eat a lot. You have to try a lot of new things also. After getting old, what stories will I have to tell my grandchildren? What I went to, why I went to work, beta. I came home, I slept, I had food. That's all. No exciting life I had. Yeah, I want to be the cool grandpa. I mean, I almost reached my home. The other part of the city I live in. My back is also singing like Anu Zain only. It is hurting. Okay, thank you so much. So, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked it. If you liked whatever came in the video, and hit the thumbs up. If you didn't like it, thumbs down also. Comment down where do you want me to try the next veg food for this month only. I'll be probably heading there next week. Not next week, this weekend only possible. So thank you so much. Love you all. Spread love and peace. Love yourself the most. Bye bye. Peace out.